If you want to check or manage spam emails in the Yahoo Mail app using your iPhone or Android, for that, first you have to open up your Yahoo Mail. Next, hit the inbox icon at the bottom. A menu will pop up. Go ahead and choose spam from here. This is where you will find all the emails that were marked as spam, either by you or automatically by Yahoo. Now, if you want to delete a spam message, just swipe it to the left. But if one of these emails is an actual spam and you had like to move it back to your inbox, just open the message, press the move button, then select your inbox or any folder you prefer. You can even create a new folder or use many more options from here if you want to organize it better. And that's really all there is to it. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.